Today we're going to learn how to cut green onions. HomeCookBasics.com. Hey, Bob, Home Cook Basics. So today we're talking about the green onion. Some people call them chives, green onions. I call them all green onion. Or, sometimes I'll call it a chive. What I like about green onions is there's so many uses for them. It's got a nice bright green color and it's got a mild onion flavor. It's not real strong like a white onion. And this goes great on a dish to just give it a little bit of pop of color. And then on the other end, the whiter part that's a little bit tougher, I enjoy cooking that and sauteing that when I'm cooking. So I like that part of the onion too. So I'll tend to cook this more than I would on the green end. So one thing to think about when you wash these is there's like a white film that you kind of get on the edge here. And I like to work that off. I think there's some here. I already washed these before I put them on my cutting board, but you can see some of the film here that was still left over from when I washed them down by the root. So anyway, let's jump into it. Today we're talking about how to cut green onions. First thing you're going to need is a sharp knife. You want to slice through these onions, you don't want to break them. So the sharper the knife, the better. Now it's time to wash. You want to wash off as much dirt as possible. Try to get that white skin layer off. We're trying to wash over any leftover fertilizers or pesticides that came from the farm. In this step, we're going to cut the ends off. So bunch them together, cut one end off, and then flip them over and cut the uneven ends off of the green part. Now that we got the ends cut off, it's easy to square them up and go ahead and start cutting them. Cut them to the dimension that you're looking for. The white part of the onion, I usually cut a little bigger because that's usually what I'm sauteing or cooking. Don't forget proper knife skills. Keep your fingers back and try to keep them under your hand. Not like how I had them in that bunch. The greener part I tend to slice a lot thinner because I use this on salads or garnishes. So that's it, how to cut green onions. I hope you found this video useful. Let me know, do you guys call them green onions? Do you call them chives? What do you call them? Let me know in the comments. But they're so versatile, they got great flavor, they're not too strong, you can use them cooked, not cooked, and I just love using green onions. Hey, I really appreciate it if you'd subscribe to my channel and like the video. And I'll see you next time on Home Cook Basics.